Feel like I'm getting chased. We want to go very slow actually, because I plan to do some tree surfing. Imagine how hard it is for a V with like 8 brain cells. See if we can find a bee. I think there's one. There's one. You see it? That's a bee. This is so hard. Alive. We have to go slower. There's another bee. Oh, the light was dropping. We have to go back. Blup. That was fun. I can recommend.